I know, eat more food. What language level am I right now? 51. Oh. I don't know if that's enough. Oh, fuck you. Why is my stomach hurting all of a sudden? I don't feel good after eating something that was on the ground. Something hard is in my stomach. It's disturbing my digestion. I can't even poop. I'm constipated. What should I do? He won't stop eating, even though he has a stomachache. But what else must he have eaten? I know. What kind of food does not get smaller even when you eat it? Wait a minute. No. Wait, do you have anything? Nope. Fish. Okay, fine, sent the fish.
That was pretty good.
Okay, guys, Google lied, and yeah. Hello. Wait a minute. No. Okay. Because, like, shoes and slippers don't get smaller. And dogs eat them. I mean, do they? Yeah, I don't think so. You use dynamite on that, but okay then. Just let me open the box. A bone. Okay, it might be in the toilet. What would I use to get it out? Wait a minute.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm here to talk to you today about Misplay. It's a super cool app where you get paid to play games. Basically, play the game. I've been playing for a week now. I've racked up, wow, that's actually a lot of points, 3,210. Then you head over to your little shop and check out what you can buy. You can buy a lot of things. So you can get an Amazon gift card, Visa. I'm going to scroll down and get what I love the most, a Starbucks $10 gift card. Bye. Amazing. So it's super cool. Check it out.
Okay, obtain a TV remote with batteries. Oof. Oof. My stomach is suddenly upset. Wow. Oof. So disgusting. I burped. Where's the battery? Oh, I already got it. The flip is that? Oh. Yeah, I know it's a bone. Like, guys, I said it's a bone, right? Just like, you guys can like replay a little bit ago. Yay, my bone. Why are you so late? I passed on the bone. A food that doesn't get smaller, even if you eat it. Yes, the answer is a bone. Someone stole this last night. It wasn't you, right? Anyway, I got my bone back by using you again. I'm so smart. Heh. Good work, stupid. Since you got the answer, I'll give you this prize. Canned meat. If you're stupid, you suffer. Like you. So someone said they're really hungry. Was it you? No. There's a familiar smell over this wall. Wait, no. I got the ring. My head hurts. What just happened? Mary, wait for me. Hey, what's up? Can I talk to you for a Oh, isn't this a ring? Why are you giving this to me? Are you trying to ask me out with this cheap ring? Get this away from my face. What's that? It looks pretty. I'm gonna take it. Okay. Do you even look at the mirror? Why would you think that I would date an ugly guy like you? You're not only ugly, you're also stupid. Tisk tisk. You should know I'm out of your league. Don't you think so? I'm leaving. Don't ever talk to me again. What? Sob, sob. How could she say that? It's not my fault that I look like this. I tried so hard to keep this expensive ring. Sob, sob. Okay. Dot, 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 dot. I want to forget that awful memory. What could have happened after that? Did you find a way to get into the room? No. What do I do now? Wait, no. I should eat more food since I'm not constipated anymore. I'm gonna watch him die. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Wait, never mind, I can just wait. 9, 8, 7, 6, 1. Wait, does he go down one more? Or just dead? He's not saying anything. Because you... Wait. Oh wait, never mind, I already did this. Did you find a way to get in the room? Yeah, stupid. Did you see the fish inside the fish tank? According to my research, Steven loves eating fish. He's already failed several times trying to get the fish out of the tank. If we get the fish, we can follow through with our plan. We'll lure Steven away from Boss with the smell of the fish. Let's think about how we can get the fish out of the tank. He may end up drowning. Welcome, I prepared the last question for you. The participation fee is 1,000. Fine. Here is the awaited last question. What has the least number of legs in this house? Bring me the answer. There will be a special event waiting for you. The least number of legs. Wait. Hello. I know it's the red hair. It's the boy. Receive the third question from Steven. Learn the firepower ability from Sunny and give the dynamite to Sam. Sam. Okay, hello, Sam. Damn it. Do I have to give up now? I can't dig any further because of this huge rock in the ground. I can't believe I have to keep living in this house with that demon. No, I can't let that happen. I'm going to escape this no matter what. Could there be a solution? Please help me out, friend. A dynamite? Where did you find this? I can break the rock with this. Back off. I'm going to set it off. Dang. I can leave this house now. But in fact, there are no other places more dangerous than this place. Thanks anyway, friend. I found this while digging the hole. I'll give it to you now. I got the lock key. What? What? Give the dynamite to them. Wait. Getting rid of... Okay. I know, it's the human. It's the Who Man. But I just don't know how to wake him up. Okay. After getting rid of the rock, investigate the portrait of the old man. Wait, what? Wait, what? The portrait is about to fall off because of the explosion. Should I take down the portrait? Yes. Should I push the button? Yes. Whoa. It's a teleporter to that one room with the axes. Because I remember seeing this exact thing. Yeah. This seems useful. I got the axe. Wow. What is this game? Use the portal and obtain the axe. Use the axe to break the fish tank. Wait, the fish is the least number of legs. I got the fish. You got the fish? That's amazing. Now we just need to lure Steven into somewhere where we can lock him up. Should I unlock it with the keys? Yes. Is that the dog from the first game? He's not moving. When flip, he's dead. This doghouse is for locking up dogs. Nobody's need to do it. I know. Therefore, you are no longer useful. I've seen you hang around Jackie a lot these days. I'm sure you guys are planning something suspicious. Did you think that you could fool me? You've also tricked Boss into giving more dog food with your weird abilities. I can't just watch you go to do these dirty tricks anymore. Heh. It's now time for the special event that I promised. Hey boss. Huh? What's up? Hang on, before I read this, I'll be right back. I'm back. This guy said he's going to steal and eat all your food. Huh? My dog food? How dare you? I will kill you. How could they tie me up to this clothesline? I can't move my body. Oh my god, Jackie. Why'd you hand over the fish to Steven? That fish was our last hope. You fool. There's no more hope left. I'm just leaving. Has come to an end without even becoming a human man. I'm starving. My mind is getting hazy. Wow. Everyone just died. That... No. Well, that's ending one, boys. Peace.